Hello friends. Today we shall go for the topic of rectification of errors. Here some rectification exercises are given in which how they ask the question and how we have to write the answers that we shall learn. Here one paragraph is given from your textbook. It is always textual paragraph and there are two books for your standard. They can ask the paragraph from any one of the books, that is main textbook or supplementary book. Here the paragraph is given and there may be 4 lines, 6 lines or 8 lines in the paragraph. On the side there will be 2 columns. One will be that of incorrect as well as another will be of correct words. There are 2 blanks in this exercise against every line. At the end of every line there are 2 blanks, one showing incorrect title, another showing correct title. That means in this particular sentence there is one grammatical mistake which you have to identify, and in the column of incorrect word we have to write down that incorrect word and then what should be there, what is the real answer grammatically, that we have to write down in the section of the correct blank. In every sentence there is one mistake and that we have to write down accordingly. It may be grammatical mistakes, can be of a verb, it can be of some spelling, it may be of the noun, it may be some minor we can say pronoun or spelling mistake in some proper noun, or there may be some type of minor mistake which we have to identify. And in the supplementary, please remember, in the supplementary you do not have to write the whole paragraph. In the supplementary you have to write down only the particular question number. Suppose this rectification exercise is question number 14, then you have to write down answer 14 and you have to make only 2 columns, incorrect and correct. And in every column, according to the lines are given numbers or alphabets. Here alphabets are given, you can see the paragraph is given and then there are alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. So in the A sentence, what is incorrect word, that you have to write down in the supplementary in the column of incorrect blank, and what should be there, that correct word, you have to write down in the column of correct blank. So in the supplementary you have to write only this much. To make 2 columns, write down proper question number or answer number and then make 2 columns, and whatever is the incorrect word and correct word, that you have to write down according to alphabets or according to numbers. The whole paragraph should not be written or is not needed to be written. Some students make mistake that they write down the whole paragraph and then they correct they write the correct word near the incorrect word. They write down the paragraph and then if there is any incorrect word near that in the bracket they write down correct word, or they just replace it in the paragraph. They write the paragraph with correct words instead of incorrect word. All these techniques or methods are not proper. The student will get 0 mark, because for every exercise there is specific method of answering. Here the method of answering is absolutely easy. Here it is very easy. In the supplementary, again I am repeating, in the supplementary you have to write down proper question number or answer number and then only make 2 columns, one title as incorrect, another title as correct, and then in every sentence what is incorrect word, write in that column, what is correct word, write in proper column. Only that much is to be done. So how to do this, now that we shall go. For the first time you read the whole paragraph carefully. You will immediately click that from which lesson this paragraph is taken. It will click in your mind. And then second time when you read the paragraph, read it carefully. Each and every word you pay full attention to that, whether this is proper or not. Generally they make more mistakes or they keep the errors intentionally in the verb form, whether it is main verb, whether it is past tense, whether it is past participle or present participle of verb. They generally commit the or they put the errors in it. Secondly, there may be some spelling mistake intentionally kept, or there may be some nouns or pronouns they are improperly written, that we have to identify. And then in the supplementary we have to only write down those incorrect as well as correct word. Here we shall take the exercise and let us see how we can do. First of all, we shall read the paragraph with errors. No problem. First A paragraph. The inspector have smiled at he after he finished his work. He patted Margie's head and said to his mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared and little too quick. I have slowed it up to a average 10-year-old level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is in quite satisfactory." Now here, in every sentence there is one mistake. So now we shall read it very carefully, and below the answer is given. Below this answer is given. We in the again the paragraph is written here for your convenience, and the incorrect word are underlined. So in the column of incorrect words, we have written that incorrect word, and what has to be there, that we have written in the correct column. So now let us see the answer. The inspector have is wrong. The inspector have smiled after he finished his work. It is wrong. Have is incorrect word. It should be had. The inspector had smiled after he finished his work. He patted Margie's head and said to his mother. No, the inspector, education inspector is talking with Margie's mother, her mother. So his word is incorrect. Instead of that, there should be her. So in the column of incorrect, we have written his. The correct word should be her. So what should be the sentence? He patted Margie's head and said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones, I think." Now here, it's not. It is written note. N-O-T-E. Note is wrong word. It should be N-O-T not. It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. It's note. No, it's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones, I think. Now, incorrect word is note, N-O-T-E. Correct word should be not, N-O-T. So the sentence will be like this. He patted Margie's head and said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." Let us continue. I think the geography sector was geared and little too quick. Now, the geography sector was geared and it should be a little too quick, not an. N comes if the word noun starts with A, E, I, O, U. So here the word starts with L, which is vowel. So sorry, which is consonant, and it is not vowel. So it should be a little. The sentence should be, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. So incorrect word is an and correct word is A. I have slowed it up to a average 10-year level. Actually, I have slowed it up to a average. A average, that is wrong. An average. So A is wrong. Incorrect word. There should be an, that we have written. So the sentence should be, I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress in quite satisfactory. In is wrong. It should be is. Incorrect word is in. Correct word is. So the real sentence should be, actually the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Let us take one more paragraph as a for practice. Here, Evelyn confesses that she is something or a workaholic. I have just got to work, often hard than classical musicians, but the rewards is enormous. Apart from regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts on prisons or hospitals, and also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She are a shining inspiration for deaf children. सबसे पहले तो हमको पूरा पैराग्राफ पढ़ लेना है. उस वक्त एक एक लाइन पहले मार्क नहीं करनी है। पहले पूरा पैराग्राफ पढ़ लो विथ मिस्टेक्स, आपके माइंड में धीरे धीरे क्लिक होने लगा कहाँ पर गलती है। देन you can start with the paragraph again, reading single sentence. Evelyn confesses that she is something or a workaholic. Evelyn confesses that she is something or a workaholic. Workaholic means the person who is doing lot of work or who always needs some work, जिसको हमेशा काम चाहिए। जैसे अल्कोहलिक पर्सन को अल्कोहल चाहिए, वैसे वर्काहोलिक पर्सन को वर्क चाहिए। जब वर्क होता है तो वो थकते नहीं है, दे डोंट गेट टायर्ड, दे फील फ्रेश। जब उनको वर्क मिलता है, क्योंकि वो वर्क उनके पसंदीदा होता है, उनको पसंद हो वैसा वर्क जब उनको मिलता है तो बड़े मज़े से वो वर्क करते, कितने भी अवर्स वो काम करे वो थकते नहीं। सच पर्सन आर कॉल्ड वर्काहोलिक। जैसे अल्कोहलिक, अल्कोहल पीने वाला जिसकी आदत होती है उसको जब तक अल्कोहल नहीं मिलता वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करता, और अल्कोहल कंज्यूम करने के बाद उसको कंफर्टेबल फील होता है। तो इसी तरह से वर्काहोलिक वर्ड है। सो द एक्चुअल सेंटेंस शुड बी Evelyn, let us see the answer below. Evelyn confesses that she is something or a workaholic is wrong, और नहीं ऑफ होना चाहिए। Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic, मतलब कि वो एक वर्काहोलिक टाइप की लेडी है, ऐसा Evelyn कन्फेस करती है। I have just got to work often hard than classical musician. अब जब then आता है जिस भी सेंटेंस में THAN then, तो उसके आगे वाला नाउन जनरली कंपेरेटिव डिग्री का ER होता है। तो यहाँ हार्ड वर्ड गलत है, इट शुड बी हार्डर। आई हैव जस्ट गॉट टू वर्क ऑफन हार्डर देन क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन। इनकरेक्ट में हमने हार्ड लिखा, करेक्ट में हार्डर। बट द रिवॉर्ड्स इज इनॉर्मस अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेगुलर। बट द रिवॉर्ड्स इटसेल्फ इज प्लूरल, रिवॉर्ड्स है, एक नहीं अनेक है, तो इज नहीं आएगा, आर आएगा। तो यहाँ पर इज वर्ड गलत है, इज की जगह आर होना चाहिए। सो बट द रिवॉर्ड्स आर इनॉर्मस, इज इनकरेक्ट वर्ड, आर करेक्ट वर्ड। तो प्रॉपर कॉलम में हमने ये प्रॉपर वर्ड्स लिख दिए, इनकरेक्ट में इज लिखा, करेक्ट में आर लिखा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेगुलर कॉन्सर्ट्स, इवलिन ऑल्सो गिव्स फ्री कॉन्सर्ट्स ऑन प्रिजन्स, ऑन प्रिजन्स नहीं, इन प्रिजन्स, वो प्रिजन्स में जाके प्रिजनर के लिए भी कॉन्सर्ट्स देती थी। सो apart from regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons. Incorrect word is on and correct word is in. Or hospitals, she also gives high priority to classes for young. अब ये prisons और hospitals, वो या तो prisons में कॉन्सर्ट देती थी या तो हॉस्पिटल में देती थी, नहीं ये गलत है, वो दोनों जगह देती थी। सो और इज रॉन्ग वर्ड, वहाँ पर एंड आना चाहिए, बिकॉज शी वॉज गिविंग concerts in prison also and in hospitals also. So Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young. Incorrect word is or, correct word is and. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She are a shining inspiration for deaf children. She has singular, third person singular pronoun, third person singular present tense. It has to be is and not are. She is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Are is incorrect word, is correct word. So we have written accordingly. So these are the ways by which we can find out the errors. Here for every error in the examination they keep generally half mark or sometimes they give 1 mark. Now these are the paragraphs having 6 sentences. In each sentence there is 1 mistake, means there are 6 mistakes or 6 errors. This question can be asked for 3 marks or 6 marks. 3 marks or 6 marks. Generally this question is asked for 3 to 4 marks, not more than that. Not more than that. So when it is 3 marks, they may ask 6 sentences or they may put 3 sentences. It depends on the paper setter and according to the paper style. पेपर स्टाइल में जिस तरह से उनको कहा जाता है वैसे वो रखते हैं। कभी कभी 3 मार्क्स में 3 सेंटेंस आते हैं और उसमें 3 मिस्टेक्स एरर्स होती है। 4 मार्क्स में कभी कभी 4 होती है और कभी कभी 3 मार्क्स में 6 सेंटेंस भी दे देते हैं। उसका रीज़न है कि यहाँ आपको कुछ भी लॉन्ग लिखना नहीं है, पैराग्राफ लिखना नहीं, कोई आंसर लिखना नहीं, कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखना नहीं, आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख के 2 कॉलम बनाने, इनकरेक्ट करेक्ट, और उसमें उस सेंटेंस में कौन सा है तो ए सेंटेंस में जो इनकरेक्ट वर्ड है वो इनकरेक्ट कॉलम में लिखना है और दूसरे कॉलम में करेक्ट वर्ड लिखना है। उसी तरह से बी सेंटेंस, सी सेंटेंस, जितने भी सेंटेंस है उन सबको या तो अल्फ़ाबेट होता है या तो नंबर होता है। सो दिस इज़ वेरी इजी एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस exercise can have half mark for each error, or sometimes to adjust the marks they give uh, 1 full mark. It depends on the paper style as well as setting of the marks according to the sections. So here this rectification theory has been explained. Now I'll give you in the coming lectures, I'll give you your textual paragraphs, and in that you have to identify the errors. आपको मैं ये आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में से अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्टैंडर्ड I'll give it to you, and you have to find out the mistakes, errors, and then you have to write down the answers. For practice I'll give it in the coming lecture.